Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a layer from selection in Photoshop. Okay, first I will select the selection quick selection tool or magic wand tool as you wish. I select the quick selection tool and select object or anything. Walter. Okay, you can use repaint it as you wish. Okay, I do not use this. You can use this select layer mask, then okay, I do not use this. Simply hold Ctrl Z or Alter drag mouse. Alter drag mouse. Oh sorry, this layer. Just hold Ctrl Z. Now see this selection layers. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.